Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. I have for you a very, very nice Land Pride RTR0550 50-inch rototiller. This is on a B2650 and was sold new with a B2650. It is a 2020 year model unit. Slip clutches on it, kickstand there for unhooking it. The rear decal and the model number tag is missing. We've ordered that brand new and will be put back on. Very, very nice reverse tilt tines. Underneath, the tines are in very nice shape. I'm going to estimate them to be about 85%. We have it hooked up here to the tractor. We're going to go ahead and spin it for you and ensure everything works. Please understand we are going to go ahead and replace those two decals. Bearings are excellent. Tractor had 200 hours. This tractor came in with a whole bunch of attachments we're going to be listing. We're going to be listing the tractor here very soon. 2020 year model unit, 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, category 1. You could cut the shaft a little shorter for a BX. It is ready to go to work. Any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.